In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in Lovable AI website, quick and easy 2026. A favicon is that tiny image you see in your browser tab, bookmarks, and sometimes on mobile shortcuts. It's small, but it adds a big boost to your brand's professionalism and makes your site easier to spot among many open tabs. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in Lovable and how to upload your icon so it appears everywhere it should. Start by opening your project in Lovable. This takes you to the workspace where all your site settings and publishing options live. Once you're in the project, look to the upper right corner and click Publish. Even if you're still working on things, this is the place where favicon settings are managed and the favicon won't be visible until your project is published. When the Publish panel opens, click Continue. This moves you into the final publishing flow where you can adjust key appearance details before pushing your changes live. And in this view, find the section labeled Icon and Title. Click the option to upload your logo. This is where you'll provide the favicon file you want to use. For best results, choose a square image. A 32 by 32 or 64 by 64 PNG with a transparent background is a great choice. And SVGs can also work well if your design is simple. Avoid tiny text or very intricate shapes because favicons display at a very small size and need strong contrast to look crisp. If your image looks off-center or cropped, consider editing it so the artwork is centered with a bit of padding around the edges. After your favicon uploads and you're happy with how it looks in the preview, click Continue and Publish. Lovable will process your changes and push them live to your site. This typically only takes a moment. Once the publish completes, visit your website in a browser and look at the tab. You should see your new favicon right away. If you don't see it yet, that's usually due to browser caching. Give it a minute, refresh the page, or try opening your site in a private window to force a fresh load. On mobile devices, you may also notice the new icon appearing when saving the site to your home screen. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a favicon to your Lovable AI website. It's a small step that makes your brand feel polished and consistent across tabs, bookmarks, and devices. Congratulations, and enjoy your upgraded site presence.